We stumbled upon a beautiful bed of Angelonia here today. So gorgeous, just a sea of pastel colors. You have white, lavender, deep purple, and a mauve. Just gorgeous. You could use one color to make a striking statement in your landscape, or mix it up like here. It's just gorgeous pastel colors. Angelonia is a low maintenance, easy care, blooming summer annual that's just great for the landscape. If you're planting in the heat of the summer, you want to make sure that you water well for several weeks to get it established. But once it's established, Angelonia can tolerate some drought. It will bloom most profusely in the full sun. Angelonia is actually called summer snapdragon, but don't be confused. This baby does well in the heat. It can be planted in partial shade. It will stay compact and it will continue to bloom all summer long into the fall. Deadheading is not required, but recommended, just to continue to get more and more blooms. But you can just stick this in the landscape and just enjoy the beautiful color. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.